Welcome to the Standing Pilates class, where you're going to be moving with exercises focusing on lower body and upper body strength. And don't worry, we're going to work through the center body to stabilize, so we're not leaving that out. Hi, my name is Beth, and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. Exercises we're going to be using a chair, so make sure that you have that as well. And you can either just do this short class, or if you're really wanting to work on strength, repeat this class 1 or 2 more times. If you're ready to begin, grab your chair and let's get moving. Let's begin with the feet wide, heels pointing in, toes pointing out, hands on pelvis. Inhale and exhale. And your next breath in, bend the knees and push the legs to straight. So we're just doing a few movements to warm up. Really want you to feel the feet press down into the floor strongly as the legs push back up to straight. Your deep breathing, soften in the shoulders, no work in the neck. Focus work right now, lower body movement, strength and support. 2, keep legs straight. Bring the feet in towards one another. And now lift heels up and down, up and down. So we're gonna thread a little bit of balance into this class as well. That's really important for your overall workout program. Right now, feel all your toes spread nice and wide onto the floor. Next time, heels lower, keep them there. And take one foot behind you in a lunge. We'll lower down and come back up. Lower and lift. Breathing in and out. Feeling support from both legs, even though you're in the split lunge position. So after our next side for lunges, we have one more exercise in the warm-up sequence, and then we'll get into the bulk of the class. Next time you come up, switch out your legs. And when you're ready, down and up, down and up. Press evenly into both feet. Deep breathing now and throughout the entire session. Continue breathing and moving. That's what this flow is all about. 2 more times. Both feet underneath you. And now we're going to pivot forward. Come back up. We're slowing this down a little bit. Pivot forward and up. We'll come back to this pivot forward, single leg option. So we just really get this in your muscle memory. Breathing in and out. Let's do just 2. And now stay forward. Hands on your stable chair. Reach the legs back to plank. Take some breath here. Strong legs, strong center, strong arms. And now bend the elbows, push up, bend, push. Still breathing, moving arms to have the body lower and lift. 2, last one, very nice. Bring the feet underneath you, hands on the chair. One leg lift, tap down, lift, tap. So still connected, deep breathing. That leg lifting up and down, trying to stay straight, as well as that supporting leg very stable for you. Next time, leg lifts, keep it there, heel comes in to straight, bend to straight. Thigh tries to stay lifted. And where can you find relaxation? In the shoulders, in the neck maybe. Strong supporting leg, strong moving leg. Now keep the legs straight. Reach it further back, bend the front knee. You're in a long lunge from head to heel. Front leg goes straight and bend. And hands can stay on the chair or no hands. So you decide what you need right now to feel stable, to work through front leg. Keep moving, keep breathing. This is a short sequence here. One last time. Now push yourself up to that hinge, replace the foot, both hands on the chair, walk back to your plank. Take a breath here and push-ups. Breathing. Strong legs, strong center. Moving arms are getting stronger. One last time. Both feet underneath you. Opposite leg goes up and down, up and down. Breathing. Light press with your hands on the chair. Strong, stable, standing leg. Moving leg, getting stronger as it lifts to down. And now keep it lifted. Heel in to straight, heel in to straight. And keep taking your deep breaths. After this movement, we're going into lunge. A few more times here. And keep your back leg straight this next time. Bend the front knee. Here's that long lunge. Front leg goes straight and bend. Hands can come on the pelvis as an option. Deep breathing. Power through with that front leg. Back leg staying straight. It's staying engaged. One last time. Then push yourself up to that forward fold or lean. Hands down, both feet down. Go back to your plank. Last time through push-ups. Down and up. Deep breathing. Strong legs, strong center. That only helps you in your push-ups here. 2, 1. Very nice. We'll stand and turn so we can have a seat in the chair just for a moment. Wiggle forward, hands on the chair seat. Roll the shoulders back. Take a breath here. Now shift off of the chair. Going to lift the hips up, lower hips down. Lift hips up and down. Breathing out and in. Press your feet more firmly into the floor for your hips lifting up and down. 2 more times. Now keep the hips down. Let the shoulders shrug up to the ears, push away. Shrug, push. So you can take a break right now, or we're going to keep the shoulders away from the ears, bend the elbows, push, bend and push. So back to arm work. We're going to add on in 3, 2, arms stay straight, hips lift, bend hips, bend elbows, lift. So bottom and upper body. Moving. Just a few more times here. For 2. One last time, 1. Very nice. Have a seat on the chair just for a moment. And now bring yourself up standing, hands on pelvis. Find your balance, one leg. You can keep it here or move that free leg. Find that balance. Deep breathing. Doesn't have to be perfect with that moving leg. Leg comes forward next time. Switch out your sides. Can stay still as an option or move it. Working balance. So important to incorporate into your workouts. Breathing, soft shoulders. Very nice. Foot goes down, opposite leg lifts once again in windshield wiper motion. Now, if you're done with this class, Move on to the class that you see right now. Switch sides. Take the time to stretch. Or repeat this class 1 or 2 more times. You'll really get stronger that way. Your choice. Very nice. Foot down. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale.